Congratulations. You qualified for the finals and you finished second in the tournament. That's a huge milestone. It's a huge achievement. How are you feeling after the match?
Yeah, it's quite disappointed a bit because we didn't do well. But yeah, it's football, so anything happens, but it's okay.
It's okay, yeah? Is this your first time taking part in this tournament?
Yeah, it's actually my first time playing for Sudan, and yeah, I'm actually happy that we reached the final. So yeah,
They're saying you're one of the best players in the squad. How old are you?
I'm 19 years old. 19.
19?
Yeah, I'm 19.
Okay. If I may ask this question, which player made you fall in love with football?
I would say Messi.
Messi?
Yeah.
Why Messi?
Because he's doing good, he's the best, and yeah, that's why. He's the greatest of all time, so why not? Yeah.
Okay, I'll ask sort of a quiz question. There's only one player in the history of African football who won the Ballon d'Or. Who is it?
Samuel Eto'o? No. Did you drop a win? I don't remember.
You don't know, it's George Weah.
Oh, okay, yeah, I don't know him.
Okay. Who do you think is the best player in the history of African football?
I would say Samuel Eto'o.
Why Eto'o?
Because he has done a lot for Barcelona since then. I didn't watch him that much, but yeah, I just watched some highlights, and but yeah, I think it's good.
I think it's good. And who do you think is the current best player in Africa?
Rather, I'll say Hakimi.
Achraf Hakimi from PSG.
Yeah, he's.
Okay, another quiz question. Which country won the most Africa Cup of Nations trophies?
I don't have any idea for that.
It's Egypt.
Okay.
Yeah, they won 7 of them.
Oh, okay.
Ronaldo or Messi?
Messi, I'll say Messi.
Why Messi?
Because I mean, he's my idol, so yeah, he's the god, so. Yeah.